Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll walk you through the process of elevating your LinkedIn profile by strategically adding your work experience. Ensure you stay tuned until the end for a comprehensive guide. Let's delve into the details. To initiate this process, ensure that you are logged into your LinkedIn account and positioned on your homepage. Navigate to your profile either by directly clicking on your name or by accessing the Me tab and selecting View Profile. Once you're on your profile, locate the Experience icon and click on it. Alternatively, if you prefer scrolling, find the Add Profile section button. Click on it, then go to Core and select Add Position. Now that you've reached the Add Position section, you have the choice to inform your network about these updates. If you prefer not to notify them, simply select No. Proceed by providing details such as the job title, employment type, full-time, part-time, self-employed, freelance, company name for example, Microsoft, work location for example, London, and location type on-site, hybrid, remote. If you are concluding your current job position, click on that option or leave it as is. Indicate whether you are still actively engaged in this role and specify the start and end dates. Next, select your industry, for example, marketing and advertising. In the description section, comprehensively outline your job responsibilities and notable achievements. For example, elaborate on managing Facebook ads for a company, overseeing a team of 5 employees, and highlighting any significant experiences gained. Enumerate the skills you acquired during this role, such as digital marketing, SEO, sales, team management, and more. Optionally, enhance your profile by adding media elements such as documents or presentations that showcase your work. Once satisfied with the information provided, click on the Save button. Always keep in mind that adding more detailed and specific information will significantly enrich your profile. Congratulations! Your new work experience is now seamlessly integrated into your LinkedIn profile. If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to express your appreciation by liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.